I'm a performer, I'm a musician, I'm also the artistic director of Art Festival in Yerevan, Armenia. This festival is Performing Arts Festival, and we are mainly interested in artistic performances, visual arts performances, music, contemporary dance, everything that is fused, that is interdisciplinary.
My name is Vahan. I'm running a theatre company named Small Theatre. We produce contemporary drama and dance performances. As well, we provide educational programs for young generation and young professionals. 4 years ago, we established the first professional inclusive dance company in Armenia, where disabled people dance on one stage with professional dancers. We are open and very interested in international collaboration and cooperation.
I represent Tbilisi State Grubedev Drama Theatre. We are the oldest professional theatre in the South Caucasus. As well, I represent another theatre, which is movement theatre, which is quite young. We are only 17. As well, I represent 24-hour experimental theatre festival. Also, I represent a training center, and as I said yesterday, and the fifth organization I represent is Kafkas Jazz Festival, which is the only one peace-building musical platform in South Caucasus.
I'm representing an independent cultural NGO called Theatre for Changes. So we basically use interactive theatre as a tool for social change. We believe that theatre is much more than just an entertainment, so we mix it with educational, health and human rights programs, and so we transform theatrical space into a space of debates, into a space where children and young people and young adults can learn and develop. We are the organizers of the International Interactive Theatre Festival in Armenia, and we have done also several creative collaboration projects with our partners from different European countries, and we're always looking forward for some new opportunities to partner and collaborate with partners from Europe and beyond.
I'm representing Theatre for Youth and Children. It's a governmental organization, it's a professional organization. We are running repertoire theatre, and we have performances for all age kinder. What I'm looking for experience exchanging, for cooperation, for new approaches, how can we address our performances to a new generation of children.